¿Te gusta Jelly Beach mucho o más o menos? Estoy mucho papas, estoy muy gordito, no más novia porque muy gordito. No, no importante. ¿Ah? No importante.
No importante.
Guys, you gotta come to Brazil. These quality women. You living how you living. Hey. Check it.
Hey, how you living, how you living? Healthy and on free for all the nights that I was bidding. Who that bitch a baddie, know I gotta put my bid in. I take it, she taking, food tastes better when forbidden. I ain't got no time for waiting, hurry up bitch, get in. I'm capping this bitch so fine, I'm about to leave her kidding.
What's up guys, it's your boy Mom back again. You know, who is it, cutie right here. Look at it. So guys, you can actually come here earlier, but it's actually best to come in late if you don't like the sun. We're gonna have some fun in the sun and swim. Is that right? Not that. So what the beach looks like in the afternoon, guys. Sun setting. You know what I mean? All that. Gotta watch out for that area though. Hey, mira. Muy peligroso, no mucho peligroso. ¿Sí? ¿Sí o no? Peligroso, ¿no?
¿No?
¿Como tú? Guys, so yeah, a lot of these times people go on this side, but you actually want to go on the other side because the water is more calmer. That was informed to me by a local. We're gonna take a chance, you know what I mean? But technically, guys, I'm really wouldn't recommend it if you're not a strong swimmer. Look at the water right here, guys. Very peligroso. Very peligroso. Yeah. Very peligroso. ¿Dónde we go? ¿Dónde? So, no ocean. We not out though. We swim, right? Oh yeah, the water. Yeah, we gotta be careful with that water. Coconut, okay.
Ele pode ter pedido um pro outro. Mandar um ligar e tá com ela. Ligue pra o rapaz daqui da Espanha.
Mucha cerveza, mucha cerveza. ¿Tú mi novia? ¿Tú mi novia? Oh, mucho, me encanta. ¿Tu novio es bonito, más o menos, o feo? Sí. Sí. Jelly Beach, ¿sabes?
Tá gravando aí? Ah, tá gravando, né?
Jelly Beach. ¿Te gusta Jelly Beach mucho o más o menos?
Bota assim na cabecinha dele, dobra.
Hey, ¿cuántos años? Tú, mía.
É 23, é 22, mas 22. 22.
22. Oh, 22. How old are you? You look like 22. ¿Cuántos años?
28.
Huh?
28.
28. Oh, 28. You look like 22. Every time I see it, I feel like 22. So guys, I'm spending my birthday with my beautiful, luscious Brazilian queen. And we just drinking a couple beers. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, hit that like, subscribe. Definitely, share. Only 22. 22. 22. 22.
22 anos.
Yeah. I like the tattoo. But two is a queen, huh? Queen? No tattoos? No. Let me see. Right. Oh, so the tattoo right there. Oh, wow. And the 10 line, the 10 line. Muy suave, huh? ¿Qué son papas? ¿Qué son papas? ¿Te gusta qué son papas? They got that cheese on them. Oh my God. ¿Qué son papas? They're good, guys. Not too much. I'll get fat. I get fat, I'll lose my girlfriend. I get fat, I'll lose my girlfriend. Estoy mucho papas, estoy muy gordito, no más novia porque muy gordito. No, no importante. ¿Ah? No importante.
No importante.
Guys, you gotta come to Brazil. These quality women. You eat like a pig and still blow up like Notorious Big, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Blow up like him, have his swag and his status, you know what I mean? So guys, she said she don't want to swim. It was later, I was gonna go for a swim, but it kind of cooled off. I'm gonna probably do something tomorrow. Oh my God, wait, this stuff, this ain't even, no mucho. Yeah, they waited till the last minute to give us the hot sauce. Look, it is a little bitty. They're cheap. They're cheap. Doro. But yeah, guys, she said she's scared of the ocean. That something's gonna bite her. But what she got worried about is she got worried about me biting her. Omar, Suba. Sobrino. Say it again. Omar
está subindo.
Subindo. Meaning the sea is rising. Something else is rising too, but I'm not gonna say it. Chilling, kicking, talking jokes, kicking with the Brazilian folks. Shout out to my subs and my day one lokes. You know what I mean? You'll see the sea is rising up there, guys. It's dangerous, peligroso. You know what I mean? You gotta be very careful. I want to go in for a swim, but she's scared. You're scared. No, not that. No. Oh, why not? Why not? No, not that.
No.
Nada.
Yes. Oh, maravilha.
Yeah, remember I'm allergic. I can't have this. I can't have shellfish. They're trying to kill me. My own girlfriend trying to kill me. This is how you do me? Oh my God. Okay, let me get a kiss before. You know.
Mulher tirou foto. De quê? A boca tá ficando vermelha.
Yeah, guys, so if you guys don't know, you know, I'm actually allergic to shellfish. I don't know, maybe it's the shellfish in the States. I never tried it, and I probably won't take a, I probably won't try it and take that risk. But yeah, guys, they got shellfish like this. ¿Cuánto dólares? ¿Cuánto reais?
¿Cuánto es, Mato?
¿Cuánto reais, huh? ¿Cuánto reais? Sí. For this little small, this thing, well, it's not small, but it's actually bigger than what it looks like. Of course, that's what she said, guys. How much? Do it with the fingers. How much? Ocho? Ocho reais? Solo ocho. Oh, wow. Oh, uno, o 50. So, ¿cuánto? Ocho or 53? 53 or ocho? For this.
60.
60. Do it how much? Because I suck with the numbers. Do it fingers. 50. Because with 50. Do it fingers. 5. Oh, okay, 16. Okay, I'm learning little by little. 16. Yeah. 16 reais, guys. You divide that. Oh my god, I can't wait till I get over to school. I think it's because you guys keep having damn AC all the time. You know, I'm gonna blame this time. I'm gonna blame it this time on Philly Dom, even though he ain't here to defend himself. He had me partying so hard last night. The cold came back. The devil came back. So if that's 16 divided by 5, guys, you know how that gets down. 16 divided by 5. You know I'm a geek. I would be a nerd if I was in the hood, but because I'm in the real world, I get demoted as a geek. So 16 divided by 5, we're looking at about, give or take, about $3, guys. $3 and some change. That's not bad for this. $3, that's really not bad. So, 3 americano dólares. Sí, I do math. Muy inteligente. Tienes inteligente o novio, tú sabes. Pinch your nose. I gotta do that for the, I gotta do that for the haters, guys. Guys, there's Spider-Man on the beach right now. Yeah, if you guys can see, Spider-Man on the beach. See him right there. Hang out with the kids. You'll see any and everybody on the beach, including Spider-Man. Hot dog. This is beautiful, guys. Look at that. That's sailing. Excuse the wind, guys. It's, you know, windy out here. Look at that. This is what life and travel is all about. Yeah, pretty cool. Never I would be thinking I'd be on the beach with 2 Brazilian chicas, chilling, drinking beer, eating papa fritas, or should I say french fries, enjoying life. So yeah, guys, you know, enjoying, having fun with some Brazilian Annas, some Brazilian beauties. Guys, I never thought this would be possible. I was delivering pizza for Pizza Hut. There was a time I was delivering pizza for Domino's. They fired me for no reason. Refused to bring me back. But guess what? Domino's fired me and YouTube rehired me, baby. And I want to let y'all know, if you're watching this video right now, I am partially monetized. Let's get those thumbs up. Let's get the subs up so I can get 1,000 subscribers. We can really do this thing. You know what I mean? We can really go full blast. And I promise you guys to give y'all the best quality content if you guys make that happen and get me to 1,000 subscribers, and nothing less but the best. I came back for you guys. You guys motivated me to want to pursue my dream, and that's what I'm going to do. And right now we're in Brazil, and you know, you never know where next week or next month, should I say not next week because we stay here months at a time, next month where I might be. But I'm just letting you guys know now. I appreciate everything you guys did for me. You know, the support, the cash apps. I never thought I could get sponsorship with under 1,000 subs, guys. This even impressed my mother, where she actually was so shocked and proud that I was able to do that, guys. So at the end of the day, this video, or the video should I say that I'm doing, yeah, I used to do the manga and stuff, and I do it a little bit, but my motion or my motive is to motivate guys, get up and travel, pursue your dreams. If you want to be a vacationer, that's fine, but step it up and maybe try to go for a couple months and be a traveler. You know what I mean? Always think outside the box, guys, because life is short. You never know when you're gonna go, and like I said, I do this for you guys. You only have one life to live, and I'm trying to live mine to the fullest and really trying to exceed my potential, guys. So I appreciate you guys. Hit that like, subscribe, thumbs up, share. It's your boy Milano back here again, like we never left, baby. Holla.